Yo, what's up guys? This is the new video, and on this video we're gonna be looking at the euro US dollar. Alright, so just clear up the chart, then get down to it. Alright, so we do what we always do, we head to the time frame, then we look at the overall structure of the market, even weekly. Alright, so you can tell that the euro has been declining, like, because maybe you can say maybe it's because of the war in Ukraine and all, yeah, whatever that's going on with Europe. Alright, so just look into the market and find details of what's popping out. Alright, so remember what we use. We use trends, levels, and chart patterns. Alright, so let's find those. Remember, when we draw levels, we draw in relative to our current price, which is like the running price, so that it will be easy for us to be able to trade. Alright, because there's no need to draw beautiful levels and like to have beautiful technical analysis and not be able to trade it. Alright, so we have our levels in place in relative to our current price, so we know from where we are standing where the market will go. Alright, so obviously we don't have enough details here. Alright, so let's put something again here, because you see it's kind of in the middle, like here, though here it's a resistance. Alright, but if it breaks, it comes to this level, which is like this main resistance, and if it just decides to just resist from here, it's gonna come back to this resistance, because you can see something like a double top here at the top. Alright, so we're gonna put our resistance. It does look like something like double top. Alright, I know there are too many touches, like 1, 2, maybe 3. Alright, but it's a structure for double top structure, so we are likely the market's gonna go down according to what we are seeing right now. Alright, like the market's gonna just go down. Alright, maybe even maybe, because on a structure like this, it's always difficult for the market like to just reverse. Alright, because you see like we have this beautiful trend, which is like a perfect downtrend, so beautiful. Alright, so obviously you are looking for that change of direction, but situations in whatever you will haven't changed that much. Alright, so most of European countries are in trouble. So alright, but let's just try to put something here. We're seeing another something here. Alright, so we have another a little uptrend in here. Can we find something on the top? Yeah. Okay, this is beautiful. Alright, so also have this inside me trend. Alright, so in a trend, yeah. So we'll just see how the market plays it. Alright, maybe from here we'll get back here, or maybe break it a little bit and then go back to touch try to break and fail the 10-sided trend. All right, and then so the market might give us something like this. All right, because like the market always moves like this, man. I don't know if you pay attention. The euro always kind of move like, yeah, right. So we'll just observe the market and see how it plays out. But this one we're gonna trade, man. Like it's not all about observations. We're gonna trade it, all right? Because obviously we have structure like a double top, but obviously the opening is more important. When the market opens, all right. So when the market reopens later today, tonight, like we're gonna get a much more clearer picture of what's popping in the market. All right, like it's gonna give us much more. All right, because for now I'm gonna make speculations based on the previous week's data. All right, obviously the new data is gonna build us our week data. All right, so yeah, but so far this is what we are seeing. The market's gonna bounce back to this level. Yeah, just above or below or exactly at 0.98000. All right, so this is the level that we know the market one way or another is gonna come reach it. All right, because a break of structure is always difficult for the market. It's not gonna break anytime soon. All right, this whole structure, this beautiful downtrend structure, we're not seeing the market breaking it anytime soon. All right, so the market might even the market might even decline up until here. It's around 0.96000. all right, so because once the market has been swallowed by the decline, it's always difficult for the market like to switch those directions. All right, because again we're still under a very beautiful downtrend, so it's gonna be a long way before we can even anticipate that break of structure. So far we're not seeing that signal for a break of structure, because look at this inner trend. We're gonna break it to the downside and then the market's gonna build like this. All right, so yeah, for the euro we are not seeing a break of structure anytime soon. So whatever you do, just know the market's gonna keep on going down, up and down. All you have to do is to find your perfect levels. Whenever you find your resistance, you have to sell. You find your support, you buy. All right, you all know, man, what's popping. So I don't think there's much on the euro. The market like this, what I think will happen in the long term. All right, so I mean, I hope you learned the thing. If you did,